Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to explain about nested if. See how to write the syntax of nested if. Right? How the flow of execution of nested if block we are going to discuss. Normally, what is nested if block? Writing if block inside another if block is called nested if block. Suppose I'm just writing the simple syntax like this. If we are defining the condition. If this condition is valid, then it will go inside. Inside we are writing one more condition. If this condition is true, then the statements execute. If block is valid and if block is valid, so I am specifying clearly like this. If statements. Suppose if this condition is a failed, it will come to else block. Outer if block is a valid. Inner else block statements execute. Consider outer condition has failed, then it will come to this else block. If you define this if block inside with another condition, suppose condition 3, outer else and inner if statements execute. Suppose if this condition is also failed, outer else and inner else statements execute. That is, see, nested if block means what? Defining if block inside another if block. Not only inside the if block, you can write in an else block also. So what is the flow? Suppose execution starts. It will check this condition. If this condition is valid, condition 1 is valid, then if this condition is valid, this if block execute. Nothing but condition 2 gets executed. Condition 2. Sir, suppose if this condition failed, then it will come to the else block. Condition 3 execute. If this is false, condition 3 gets executed. In case if it is false. Now, if this condition 2 is a true, if this is valid, if statements get executed, if block statements execute and it will go to end. Suppose if this condition fail, this else block execute, if else statements execute. If this is a fail, here it is, if else statements execute, then it will go to end. In this one, if condition 3 is a valid, then else if statements execute. If it is true, then else if statements execute. Then it will come to end. If this condition is also failed, here else statements execute. If this is also failed, here it is else statements execute. And a very important point, sir, do we write nested if always in this format only? No. This is we need to understand. Depends on our requirement, we select how to write. If you see number of examples, then you will get more clarity. But anyway, we will discuss in the next video. Hope you understood. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.